Yeah, so my name is Scott Boisel. I work with customers on a day-to-day basis, both in residential and commercial, who kind of understand what best fits their needs from an audio, video, automation standpoint.
Well, I'm Bo Brennemer. Technically, I'm in sales, but I guess what that means to me is I'm just trying to make your technology dreams come true.
Probably the biggest reason to work with Millennium Sounds is knowing that you're going to be treated right, you're going to be treated fairly, and knowing that we're not going to just do something to have a quick fix, but knowing that, a full total solution is the end goal.
I think it's about developing relationships. I don't think we're here to try to sell people stuff. We're trying to come alongside of them, have an excellent experience with us, but certainly deliver on what they're looking for. We want to make it easy, we want to make it fun, and do what it wants to do for you.
During the process, it feels like you're working with a small company. You have a really good relationship with us, and we have a really good relationship with our customer. But then also, we have that back end of a larger business. So we have people that are dedicated to ordering, to checking inventory, making sure that the jobs are scheduled correctly.
As I come into a client for the first time, first thing, just trying to get, develop some rapport with the person, trying to understand, who they are and who's all going to be involved in things so that I can get to know them, try to find some commonality, some common ground. And then, we're ready to dive into the actual nuts and bolts of things. Let's go, let's dig in. We want to be aligned on budget. We want to be aligned on the scope of work that we're trying to do. And then we want to document that well so that when we go through this process, we want the expectations to be set and be very clear. At the end of the day, we're trying to make it as easy as possible for the client experience. I mean, no is not in our vocabulary. We're trying to say yes as much as we possibly can.
Wiring is really the most important step when doing especially a new construction project because you really get one chance to get that right. You have to make sure that everything is in the right position, make sure that everything is where the customer wants it. Really the goal is to make sure that when we're finished with that pre-wire process, we're finished wiring, that A, it looks really good, and B, it's exactly what the customer was expecting. It's clean, is lined up, and then you go to your trim out phase, which really sets up the final install. When we're plating outlets, when we're plating any of our ports or jacks, the customer is going to see that every time they walk by it. So it's super important that we get that process done correctly. So the install phase and the finish phase, that's kind of the most exciting part, right? So that's when our team gets to come in and physically install hardware, physically install TVs, install speakers, and that's when the project really, you get to see it come together.
Having the folks that are going to be using it right alongside you. We're going to train you. Oftentimes we're engaging internet service providers, your wireless, whatever your providers are. We're making sure that that's all set up right, making sure that you had something to say about the passwords, about how this is architected, and that you're comfortable with it.
We want to make sure that after we've installed everything, after the customer has been using it, to make sure that A, it's exactly what that they were expecting, or B, if there's any modifications that we need to make, we can make those changes. Those follow-ups are really important to make sure that the customer is using the system in a way that they expected.
I think Millennium Sounds is about relationships and long-term relationships. We want to come alongside you, bring you technology you're going to love and use for a good long time.